How to create viral infographics for link building. If you're looking for the best strategy for link building to improve your website's SEO, try infographics. Here's why. Infographics are engaging visuals that represent text content. They are easy backlink magnets. With infographics, you can passively attract external links without soliciting for them. HubSpot reveals that infographics help you increase your website's traffic by 12%, and sales can shoot up to 80%. No wonder 65% of businesses use infographics for promotional benefits. The reason for this effectiveness is the growing preference for infographics. An average internet user will most likely digest and recollect an entire infographic content rather than a blog post. Besides, people like and share infographics 3 times more than they would other forms of content. Aside from its linking building attributes, adding infographics to pieces of content in your website increases the SEO value of such content. So what are the tips for creating viral infographics for link building? 1. Conduct research. 2. Write content for the infographics. 3. Get a good infographics creator. 4. Review the infographics. 5. Publish and promote the infographics. Let's go through the details of each step. 1. Conduct research. All web content requires keyword research, and infographics are not an exception. And that's because the journey of most internet users starts in a search bar. Websites will only write content that targets such keywords. So if link building is your goal, use Google Planner or any keyword research tool to know a popular topic for your infographics. Alternatively, you could do an image search on Google to see trending infographics so that you can pick ideas from them. The second stage of your research would be searching for original data, fresh ideas never heard before. To do this, run polls on social media platforms or send survey links to your email subscribers. Another way to conduct research is by checking popular social media platforms like Pinterest. Find out the number of pins each one gathers. That's an indication of its popularity. Then put them in a spreadsheet document. Don't attempt to imitate the original ones, except if you want to contradict them. Otherwise, make yours better than them. And if you don't want to conduct research from scratch, you can get ideas from trustworthy research sites. 2. Write content for the infographics. Once you have an idea of your subject matter, write your content. Ensure that the content contains only relevant texts. People prefer infographics because it's presumed to have less text, and most of these people dislike reading. So please don't force them into what they run away from. It might be a turnoff. Besides, the websites you seek backlinks from already have content, so they'd prefer to add an infographic that is simple to avoid creating a mess. The sole purpose of your infographic in their content would be to summarize what they have written. They do that to target people in their audience with a short attention span. Remember to order the data you've gotten. Research only data that you can organize. If your content is based on statistics, place those statistics in categories. If it's solely text content, then arrange them in a logical order. For instance, 8 steps to XYZ. How to do XYZ. Don't forget to have an engaging headline. 3. Get a good infographics creator to design it. You can use online tools with templates to create infographics. For instance, Canva has templates that can help you develop some excellent infographics. But it's not as easy as it sounds. You may end up spending days on something a professional will do in a few minutes. Besides, for public resource tools, the possibility of being unique is next to none. Also, you'll need to know the required image resolution of the different social media platforms. So the best solution would be to hire a professional with experience in infographics design to help you build one. The designer might need the following information: your purpose, your target audience, data and files, and any other requirement. 4. Review the infographics. Once you get the infographics from the designer, you'll need to review them to check for grammatical, factual, and logical errors. You can pass it around to your team or colleagues to get their feedback. 5. Publish and promote the infographics. Once you design your infographics, you'll need to promote them. If you have a website, you can create a page with content that will house your infographics. With infographics, you don't need too much content. Just ensure that it is clickable. Never publish infographics without embedding a link in them. It's the only way websites can link back to you. You can either add the infographics at the upper or lower part of the blog post. Don't forget to encourage readers to share it. Check out these social media platforms to promote your infographics: Pinterest, Reddit, Flickr, SlideShare, Fast Company, Infographic Showcase, Infographic Bee, Daily Infographic, Cool Infographics. You can buy a professional social media marketing service if you're not an expert and want profitable results. Link building with infographics is accessible as long as you do it right. Overall, viral infographics with the potential of attracting backlinks share 6 significant features. Choose a viral topic as subject matter. People are always eager to share infographics on trendy topics. On the flip side, timeless issues that have been the subject of discussion for a long time also work. The content is valuable. Don't settle for content people already know. Add your voice and a twist if you like. The designs are exquisite. If you don't have graphic design skills, hire a freelancer to create powerful visuals for you. The statistics and data are well researched. Viral infographics have shocking statistics and data that will create interest in people. They're simple. Ensure your infographics are not just a bunch of complex designs. They should be easy to digest at a glance. They are promoted. Aside from adding them to your content, you can upload them on your social media platforms and infographics websites. They don't have excess text. Keep it short and straightforward.